We at Policybazaar continue think and to attempt to improve our customers' experience at the time of service or at the time of claims. I'm happy to announce that we have launched a assured delivery program for all our customers who purchase a motor insurance policy with us. The benefits of this program are that, first of all, if you go to a workshop which is recommended by us, at that workshop you have a relationship manager who's dedicated only for your claims process. This relationship manager ensures that your vehicle is picked up from your location, the documents are given to the insurer, and the approval is given as soon as possible. There are notifications and there are statuses which are given to you every day to ensure that you are updated about the status of a car claim. What we also do is we do a priority claim servicing at these workshops so that the car can be repaired faster and be given back to you for your use. For us, motor insurance is a very important portfolio, and all our customers who file a claim at the time of motor insurance, we want to give our customers an experience at the time of claim which is one of its kind, unique to the industry, and helps our customer to get the claim processed as smoothly and as fast as possible. A few other benefits for assured delivery is that we do a committed repair TAT of about 7 days for all claims for less than 50,000 rupees, which typically means is that if your car has come in for a claim, we'll ensure that in less than 7 days, you'll get your car all ready, all done, back at your home. Thirdly, what we also ensure is that there is a repair warranty which is given across all the parts that you have repaired, the electrical warranties, everything. Fourth, what we also do here is that we give you a cashless offering, wherein if you go to the workshop where we have recommended you and it's under the assured delivery umbrella, in these workshops you'll get a cashless so that you don't really have to pay any money out of your own pocket. So these are a few salient features that we have built under the umbrella of assured delivery. We are already live at 80 workshops across 70 cities. Our intent here very clearly is to ensure that just in case you get into an unfortunate accident, Policybazaar should be there to able to help you to move your car faster to a workshop and get the repairs done as soon as possible. Thank you.